this was my first attempt in NEET 2021, and it was not sufficient to score enough marks in NEET, and I just qualified, and I thought that I won't be able to take MBBS seat in Nagpur in Government Medical University, so I have decided to study abroad.
डॉक्टर बनना मेरा बचपन से ही सपना था, लोगों की हेल्प करना, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है अगर मैं किसी की भी छोटी सी भी कोई हेल्प कर देती हूँ, और फिर किसी की जान बचाना तो बहुत ही बड़ी बात होती है. तो yeah, that's why I chose this profession, and I'm really glad that I'm going to be a doctor.
I want to become a doctor because I really wanted to gain that respect, that loyalty, and that life which a doctor have. I really want to help people, and that is the only aim I have.
The thing which fascinates me about being a doctor is they save lives. Most respected profession nowadays after the COVID situation.
I have learned from everybody that the technology of Russia is that much interesting, and that also highly technified, and also the first vaccine that was that came from a country was Russia. So I thought that medically it would be very much important that Russia is very highly medically satisfied with what I am going to be a doctor.
I chose Russia because वहाँ पर जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और जो मुझे दिखा है क्वालिटी स्टडी का, उससे मैं बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ. जो मेरे सीनियर्स हैं उन्होंने जो मुझे रिव्यूज़ दिए हैं, जो वो मुझे बताते हैं, तो मुझे लगा कि रशिया मेरे लिए एक बेस्ट ऑप्शन रहेगा अपने सपने पूरे करने का. So finally, yeah, I'm going and I'm really happy.
I feel like Russia was really good to study MBBS abroad, and Rus Education guided me through this way so that I can make a good choice in making my dreams come true.
Rus Education एक्चुअली मेरे सीनियर्स हैं जिनके थ्रू मुझे पता चला, और उन्होंने मुझे गाइड करा, उन्होंने मुझे बताया, कॉन्टैक्ट वगैरह सब करवाया. और जैसे ही मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट हुआ, सब जिनसे भी मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट हुआ, मैम सर सब बहुत कोऑपरेटिव थे, अच्छे, मतलब उन्होंने सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करे. जो भी पूछते थे छोटे से छोटे क्वेश्चन, सबका उन्होंने बताया, सब बताया. और हाँ, बहुत कोऑपरेट करा और बहुत अच्छे से सब हो गया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
It was quite good to know about Rus Education. They told me everything very clearly, and nothing was hidden about anything, and I think it was a good decision to make.
I would surely recommend my juniors to choose Rus Education because the processing and everything which leads to becoming a doctor, the institute has really helped me, and I have faced no problem here. So I'll surely recommend my juniors to prefer Rus Education, and apart from that, they really need to work hard and be constantly motivated to become a doctor, as it is a really hectic profession, yet fruitful and a boon to the society.